Quiz 6, I think this was version A, but who knows. Most people did well the second time, but there are plenty of people that needed a little more, so I finally remembered to turn on my pen. Okay, so find an equation of a tangent line at 4. So probably the best way to go is trying to do everything as quickly as possible. Answer choice C has a slope other than 8. So y minus, let's see, 4 squared is 8 plus 3 is 11 is equal to 8x minus 4. Y equals 8x minus 32 plus 11. So that's got to be answer choice. Oh my gosh, am I this bad? 4 squared is not 11. Oh man, none of these are right. So 4 squared is 16, plus 3 is 19. Okay, 32 plus 19, that looks better. That's a 13. Ooh, catch your own mistakes, huh? Equation of the normal line. So y prime is 10x at 3 gives us 30. So we're using a slope of 1 over 30. Oh, negative 1 over 30. X minus 3. And let's see, 3 squared is 9 times 5 is 45. So we're going to multiply everything by negative 1 over 30. I'm sorry, negative 30, so that's negative 30y plus 45 times 30. I'm not going to worry about multiplying that out. And then equals x minus 3. Darn it, I'm going to multiply that out. Okay, so it looks like when we move everything over, we'll have x plus 30y minus 45 times 30 minus 3. And so maybe I'll just do some scratch work. 45 times 30, 0, 0, 5, carry the 1, 1. So that's 1, 3, 5, negative 1350, which I'll annotate. And then I'm going to subtract 3 more. So I want negative 1353. Ooh. So use the definition to find the derivative of the function at the given point. You're silly if you do that. You should have this derivative memorized. Chain rule on x plus 4 is 1. And we want that derivative at 5, so hopefully you can see that's 1 over 2 root 9, which is going to be 1/6. I bet you spent a lot of time on that one if you got it wrong. Ooh, nice easy derivative rule. I hope you didn't get a power rule wrong. Derivative of 8 is 0. 12x cubed plus 6x squared. No. 7. How would they get 7? They should have an 8 on there. Whatever. Okay. I say they because I kind of picked the problem, so whatever. 8 over 2 is 4x to the 7th power now, minus 1x to the 3rd. That looks like A. No. Wow. Answer choice D is hilarious. Ooh, I do not want to do this. So first function times the derivative of the second, 18x, plus the second function times the derivative of the first, what's that, negative 10x? And, well, you'll see maybe we don't have to multiply everything up. 18x, and then minus 18 times 5 is 9 times 5, 90. Because it'd be 45 doubled, 90x cubed. And then that's going to be minus 90x cubed again. Okay, so negative 180x cubed. And is it with an x or with a constant? Pretty sure it's going to be answer choice A. Let's make sure we get a big negative out of here. And so that's plus 180 0x. Did I get that wrong? Negative. Oh, there it is. x cubed. Oh, I see why. Answer choice D has a constant, not an x. I don't think we can simplify things first, and it's probably not answer choice A, but maybe there's a simplification. Denominator, derivative of the numerator is 1, minus numerator times the derivative of the denominator all over the denominator squared. So that's 2x minus 2 minus 2x. And I'm not going to write over the denominator squared because I know it's, oh, not 2x in the numerator, 2 in the numerator. I'm still trying to go reasonably quick so you get a feel for the pace, but I'm not going breakneck speed. I think I can finish this in like 4 minutes. So this is pretty obviously find the product, derivative of a product of two functions. So u of 1, v prime of 1, plus v of 1, u prime of 1. And u of 1 is 3, u prime of 1 is negative 5. I think this is the easier order. V of 1 is 7, and v prime of 1 is negative 4. So that's negative 12 minus 35, negative 47. Don't bother adding. Like, you can just check the answers. Fourth derivative, I'm not going to bother about anything but the first one, so that's, maybe we can find a quicker way. So that's 5 times 5x to the fourth, 5 times 5 times 4x cubed. I think I would write these out, just because I think I might make a mistake on notation. So 5, 5, 4, 3, 2x. Okay. So it's got to be either B or C, 300 or 600. So let's see. 5 times 5 times 4 is 100, and 3 times 2 is 6, so that's going to be 600x. Where is this differentiable? I guess where is it not differentiable? Where the denominator is equal to 0. I think everybody gets this wrong because they don't write some stuff down. X squared can't be equal to 64. I think they just picked negative 8 and 8 without looking. This is all real numbers. Okay, 7 minutes 45 seconds with a nice little bit of a walkthrough. I hope I got them all right. I think I did BDCAA, BDCAA, ACBCD, ACBCD. Cool beans.